love in love. Hi, hello again. And then, shall we, let's apply a cotton sheet first. This cotton sheet, he said it has a swelling reducing effect, but I ripped it off and I felt like my face was okay. It's not very swollen. Apply it for 5 minutes today. Then tear it off. Rub the nose on your face. Rub off the dead skin a little bit. Then brush that liquid foundation on both sides. In fact, I use the liquid foundation every time. Well, not all of it is used on the face. I used a little too much like this one. But this puff works really well. It's spread evenly. Then it's finished. Okay, let's set the makeup directly. There is nothing special about our base makeup, so we'll just go through it quickly. Okay, I sprayed a setting spray, be sure to. Start drawing after the injury is dry. This eyebrow pencil is a water eyebrow pencil. Just draw it out so naturally, do you think? Then he has the same color tone. Brown? Not particularly light brown. Follow your hair tumor. Go on. This eyebrow dye cream. Oh my god, I chose the wrong color. But now that I have this step, I'll just add it to you. In fact, I think it's just... this layer of dark brown will do. But I'm afraid someone will say I cut corners. I don't have it. Then it comes to our facelift. Or use this blade brush. Fix our nose part. I plan to dedicate an issue at that time. It's a tutorial similar to grooming. Oh, just fix all kinds of things. That nose of all shapes. Will it be better? But this step cannot be omitted. Still the same. Scan in the direction of the back of the nose, and this is the side of the brush. To smudge, use the side of the brush to smudge. I always feel bad when I'm on camera. It's so obvious I'll keep getting deeper and deeper and deeper. You see, I'm still the nose. It's deepened here. In fact, what just happened has already been. It's a good facelift. The shape of the facelift. But when I look at the camera, it's not obvious. Then it will deepen. It is also used here. Use a brush to grind the side of the brush. Go and grind the back of the nose. It will be more natural to grind this way. Okay, we still have to go deeper at the root of the mountain. Because I can't get my nose. The nose and the bridge of the nose are heavy. Then Yamane will feel a little strange if he is weak. Then give him the stream on the side of Yaman. Deepen a little. You can poke here. Poke and poke to deepen. It will be better to smudge it later. By the way, bring the eye socket part. Don't use the eyebrows here. Don't connect it to your eyebrows with grooming. Something like this. It's good to repair the color and roughly scan our eyelids. And our agio saliva. Just take it a little bit. No need for a particularly heavy color. Okay, mainly because the end of the eyes is a little hard. It feels good. And then use a brush like horsehair? Take this matte highlight. Brighten the bridge of the nose, the head of the nose as a whole. So here's the eye, there's the brow. Yes, and eyes. Nah, this little C. Make one for him and compare it with that Ning An. It will feel whole. The appearance is ancient and fragrant, everything will be more three-dimensional. Then use a big one that is denser. Real grooming brush. Large area on your side. To fix the silhouette. The deepest stroke must go down the hairline. The position of the outline. Then scan the content. Sweep. It's actually more natural to sweep through. The deepest stroke is on the jawline. And that line is inside the boundary. And again, here's the dot. Poke it. Color. There is a big side, that is, the whole side has to be swept. Then today our eyeshadow is used. Oh, Asu, this sound heel. It's a nice color. Appear human. The eyes are kind of... The slightly red one I just cried has a bit of that feeling. It's still pretty good. Then color it or something is also good. Then use to deepen the second half of our eyeshadow. Then bring a little bit to the front. Deepen it roughly and then use the shadow. Deepen our end eyelashes. Close to the root of the eyelashes. You can ship it out a little bit. It makes our eyes look longer. It's longer. It's bigger. Okay, then because the small brush is also of this color, deepen the corner of the eye. Just the corner of the eye, don't miss it. Okay, there is a double eyelid pasted here. It is pasted with this flat fan type. Then quickly curl the eyelashes. Is the multiple increasing too fast this time? But these are less important. Well, I went through all the steps quickly. What is brushed here is eyelash primer. It's not mascara, it's eyelash primer. But I think it would be better to brush mascara. Then stick one of these single thick false eyelashes. Use a brown eyeliner pen after pasting. Fill in the eyeliner. Eye. Connect the eye to the middle of this false eyelash. Don't have a layered feeling and then the end of the eye. Pull it out first. Pull out a short one. Maybe you can see it, pull out a short one. Then extend it out and pull it in the direction of the tail of the eyebrow. And then we put it in bold. Trim the shape. Go to the middle of the eyelids and modify the shape. The connection will be more natural. Then we end our eyes. Isn't this thread thin? Then fill it in for him too. It doesn't matter what we're going to do today, is kind of the feeling of the eyeliner if there is no one. So it doesn't matter if you fill it in first. If the line is thicker, it will be thicker. Okay, and then we use this brush that he has on the other end. Put this line above. Rub him open before he dries. the feeling of rubbing without a marginal line. It's this kind of fog. If there is a feeling of faintly, then the line under the eyeliner is wet. And then cross arm slightly. Fill in this lower mole. Then use a brush to brush nature. Okay, and then open your eyes slightly. It's okay to keep your eyes open, I think. I don't think I've opened my eyes at all this time. I feel a little too stiff. Or use a brush to brush him more naturally. Then connect the corners of the eyes. It's so ugly. Then I still smudge nature with a brush. Connect the past. I'll take it lightly with an eyeliner pen. Then use the brush on the other end. I drew it. Okay, that Eyeshadow saliva is very good. Very natural, then use a black eyeliner pen. Deepen that. The lower and lower half of the eyeliner and then fill it in. Inner eyeliner at the corner of the eye, then fill it all out for him, and then sketch the corner of the eye. In fact, I think it's okay not to outline. It just feels a little too much. Hard in this one. But some people might like it. Then you still use a brush. Also connect this. Make it more natural. Here is the lower eyelash. For the overall trend, you must first understand the lower eyelashes. What is the direction in which he is scattered? Then you stand up gently and draw. Then don't be greedy for too much. You have natural eyelashes. It's natural to add your own brush. Okay, just pause. And then there's one. W is a more common color. Meet pink. Then click and poke at all the small areas. Small area to poke. Why is it tender and fast? Okay, the bridge of the nose, you should also bring something. Overall, it has a little atmosphere. I can wear a little bit on my chin too, with a pure white matte finish. Brighten your eyes. I'll give him a natural smudge. Do not have. Too obvious. Powder in. Okay, also draw a small triangle on the nose. Do a highlight. I drew one very quickly. Lip liner. This time. This foundation on the upper lip is a bit too much. Then use the lip brush on the other end, brush it naturally for him. Smudge it as a whole. Follow the direction of your own lip line. Go and pack the smudge. Then I put on a lipstick that was a little more pink. Okay, let me have a sip. After sipping it, there will be a little color on it. Twice more. This is on point, on point, on point. Then give with your finger. Edge, boundary line or something, pat naturally. Okay, and then I used another one that was more nude. Give him another twist as a whole. This lipstick is painted out of him. It feels like boiled water. The lower lip must be a little more, a little fuller on. Then if the upper lip is used, only the middle part is used. Just take it a little bit, then tap with your finger. The approximate makeup effect is like this, by show.